Chef Rahim. I'm 12 years old. Today, I'm going to show you the easiest thing I've ever made. Green Bean Casserole. It's so easy, I found it on the back of this box. This recipe is so easy that it only takes 40 minutes, and 35 of those minutes are in the oven. For this recipe, you'll need milk, crispy fried onions, green beans, cream of mushroom soup, and black pepper. Our first step is to mix our three ingredients together. I'm going to start with black pepper, then milk, and then my cream of mushroom soup. Then I'm going to stir it together. Now that our soup is mixed, we're going to add in our fried onions and beans. And then we're going to stir them in. Now we're going to bake our casserole. We're going to use the rest of our onions after it's done baking, and then we're going to put it back in the oven for 5 minutes. Timer set for 30 minutes. I'll see you guys in 29 minutes and 35 seconds. In 30 minutes, I'm going to take out my casserole. I'm going to sprinkle my crispy onions and put it back in the oven. Covered my casserole with crispy onions, so it's going to go back in the oven for 5 minutes. In 5 minutes, I'm going to take my casserole out of the oven. You'll know you're done when your onions are golden brown. Hi, I'm Chef Rahim. I'm 12 years old. If I can make green bean casserole in under 40 minutes, so can you. Time to eat? I'm hungry.